Java is a powerful, versatile, and popular programming language that is used to develop a wide range of applications. Some of the key features that make Java stand out as a programming language include platform independence. Java programs can be run on any platform that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM) installed, regardless of the underlying hardware and operating system. This is because Java code is compiled into bytecode, which is platform independent and can be executed on any JVM. Object-oriented programming. Java is an object-oriented programming (OOP) language, which means that it is based on the concept of objects, classes, and inheritance. OOP provides a way to organize and structure code, making it easier to write and maintain complex applications. Memory management. Java has an automatic memory management system, which means that developers do not have to explicitly allocate and deallocate memory. This makes Java programs more reliable and less prone to memory-related errors. Security. Java has built-in security features that protect against malicious code and viruses. For example, the Java Security Manager allows developers to define security policies that control what actions a Java program can perform. Multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading, which means that multiple threads of execution can run concurrently within a single program. This allows developers to write programs that can perform multiple tasks simultaneously, improving overall performance. Rich API. Java has a vast library of pre-built classes and APIs, application programming interfaces, that make it easier for developers to write complex applications. The Java Standard Edition, say, library includes classes for input, output, networking, security, and many other tasks. Scalability. Java is highly scalable, which means that it can be used to develop applications of any size, from small mobile apps to large enterprise-level systems. Robustness. Java has strong error handling and exception handling mechanisms that make it easier for developers to write robust and reliable code. This helps to reduce the risk of errors and crashes in Java programs. In conclusion, Java is a powerful and versatile programming language that offers a wide range of features and benefits for developers. Its platform independence, object-oriented programming, memory management, security, multi-threading, rich API, scalability, and robustness make it a popular choice for developing applications of all types and sizes.